Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on CoinStats application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your profile picture on CoinStats, firstly open your CoinStats application. The home page of CoinStats will appear on the screen. Click on three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on your email address shown on the page and it will take you to your profile section. Click on camera icon and among the pop-up option, either take a photo for your profile or upload a picture from your gallery and tap on tick mark icon. This is how you can change your profile pic on CoinStats application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.